Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a journey that will defy your imagination. Today we explore the craziest house in the world, a place where architecture meets eccentricity and creativity knows no bounds. Our story begins with a vision, a dream that turned into reality. Meet the genius behind this architectural marvel, Mr. Alexander Quantum, a maverick designer who dared to defy norms and build the most unconventional residence on the planet. It all started with a simple sketch, a doodle on a napkin that grew into a wild, daring concept. The initial idea was to challenge the conventional notions of architecture and create a space that pushed the boundaries of imagination. Construction began, and soon, the neighborhood watched in awe as the craziest house in the world took shape. The process was a spectacle in itself, with onlookers curious about what was unfolding before their eyes. Let's take a stroll around the exterior, shall we? The facade is a riot of colors and shapes that defy symmetry and challenge traditional norms. From spiraling towers to irregular windows, every inch of this house is a testament to Alexander's fearless creativity. The madness doesn't stop at the front door. The garden is a whimsical wonderland with sculptures of fantastical creatures and plants that seem to defy gravity. It's a feast for the eyes and a playground for the imagination. Now let's venture inside this kaleidoscope of creativity. The interior is a seamless blend of art and functionality. Each room tells a story, with walls that breathe and furniture that defies gravity. It's as if you've stepped into a surreal dreamscape. The living room is a testament to Alexander's commitment to breaking the mold. Furniture seems to float in midair, and the walls are adorned with avant-garde artwork that challenges perception. In the kitchen, prepare to be amazed by appliances that seem to have a mind of their own. The color scheme is playful, and the countertops are a canvas for culinary creativity. The bedroom is a sanctuary of relaxation, with a bed that defies gravity and walls that change color based on your mood. It's a space where dreams truly come to life. Movie night takes on a whole new meaning in the entertainment room. The giant screen seems to stretch beyond the walls, and the seating arrangements are a puzzle waiting to be solved. Of course, not everyone in the neighborhood was thrilled about the craziest house in the world. Some called it an eyesore, while others saw it as a beacon of creativity. It sparked debates and controversies, but Alexander Quantum remained unapologetic. As the sun sets on the craziest house in the world, one thing is certain: it's a testament to the power of imagination and the beauty of embracing the unconventional. Alexander Quantum's creation will forever be etched in the history of architecture, a symbol of daring to be different.